Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we can see the recipe for strawberry muffins made with and without an oven. For this recipe, I have taken wheat flour 2 cups, strawberry 1.5 cups cut into small pieces, sugar 1 cup, baking powder 1.5 teaspoons, salt half teaspoon, 2 eggs, melted butter half cup, milk 1.5 cups. First, I'm going to add the eggs to a container and whisk it. We can add milk to this and whisk it. Now we can add the melted butter and all other dry ingredients and mix it. While adding the wheat flour, add small amounts at a time. Another way to mix the ingredients is to mix all the dry ingredients separately and then add that to the wet ingredients. Finally, let's add the strawberries and mix it. Batter is ready to make strawberry muffins. Place the baking cups in the tray. If we don't have baking cups, we can just grease the tray with the butter and use it. Now we can add the batter halfway. Before doing this, we can preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We can bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's cooked. To bake the muffins without an oven, add a good amount of salt with the container. I'm using a pressure cooker. Reverse a stainless steel plate and place it on the salt. Heat this on high flame for about 5 minutes. We can use stainless steel cups to make the muffins. Place the baking cups and fill them with batter. Again, if we don't have baking cups, that's not a problem. We can just grease the stainless steel cups with butter and use them. Place the cups on the steel plate, cover the container and cook this on low flame. If you're using a pressure cooker, just use the lid to cover the cooker. Please don't use the gasket or the weight. If we are using a larger container, we can use more cups. I just got this out of the oven. Strawberry muffins made without an oven are ready. Whole wheat flour strawberry muffins are ready. This is a very tasty recipe. Please try this and post your comments. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.